Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting with the essentials. Make sure you're signed into the Google account that's doing the uploading. Once you open the Google Photos app or Photos, Google.com, you'll see the backup status at the top. Tap the account avatar and go straight to Photos settings. While doing that, pause your network by turning off Wi-Fi or mobile data to immediately stop new uploads. This prevents more items from queuing while you change backup settings. This gives you control before modifying sync rules. Now disable backup and sync so uploads stop at the source. In the app, open Settings right arrow Backup and Sync and toggle it off. You'll hear a brief confirmation and the app stops queuing. On desktop, click the Backup and Sync or Google Drive icon in the system tray and choose Pause or Quit to halt uploads immediately. Also inspect device folders or folder settings and turn off any specific folders that still have syncing enabled. This ensures both app and folder level sort. Finish by canceling any uploads already in progress and verifying nothing restarts. In the Photos app, open the Activity or Uploads view and cancel individual items if the option appears. On desktop, quit the backup client to interrupt transfers. If uploads persist, clear app cache, force stop the app, or uninstall and reinstall to reset state. Make sure you have available Google storage and that no other signed-in device is re-uploading. If issues continue, sign out of the account on other devices and then recheck uploads.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.